Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. These prep tables. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, the length about like 48.5 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 34.5 inches. And the overall height is about like 46 inches tall. For this cutting board, it is about like 9 inches wide. So as we can see, the units are designed by all stainless steel bodies, include the single leads, and they do having the open swing doors. And also let me take a measurement for the inner side. The depths, they are about like 19 inches. And the length about like 44 inches. And this height for the clearance entries about like 23 inches. So when we open the door inner side, we have a sanitation stickers marked right here that coming with the unit's cut sheet informations and the serial numbers. And the shelvings for the both sides, they are adjustable the heights. And also behind of the units, they come in with the controller at the bottoms in the central area. And also they do having the plugs from the manufacturer. They prepare the standard 110 plugs for the US. Now we can take closer to see the inner side of the tray space. For this tray space, entire length is about like 39 inches. And 21.5 inches wide. The depth about like 6 inches. So as we can see, they do have 18 containers, 3 row, 6 container for each row. And also you can just remove all these small containers to change in this hinge space. Now you can change a bigger size tray if you want. And let me give you the dimension for this tray pans. They are about like 7 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and about like 6 inches deep. Thank you for watching these videos. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.